You may have noticed something peculiar about Tesla's semi-truck. It's the only vehicle in Tesla's lineup that hasn't had its own dedicated production line until now. In the past, building the Tesla Semi relied heavily on manual assembly, with very few specialized machines designed to handle the massive parts and complexities of such a large truck. This lack of advanced automated tooling has created a major bottleneck, which partially explains why fewer than 1,000 Tesla Semis are on the roads today, despite the truck being introduced nearly 8 years ago. Many in the industry have jokingly called building the Semi production hell, because Tesla hasn't been able to scale manufacturing efficiently. The main hurdle has always been the limited scale and absence of state-of-the-art manufacturing technology tailored for a vehicle as big and complex as a heavy-duty truck. Unlike Tesla's other highly automated car lines, the Semi's production has been a labor-intensive challenge. But now, Tesla has taken a massive leap forward by establishing a new, dedicated 4 million square foot factory exclusively for semi-truck production. Still, the factory alone isn't enough. A proper, modern production line remained missing until recently. A game-changing moment was caught on drone footage by Tesla Semi enthusiast Zanagler, a colossal press machine being transported from Gigafactory, Texas, all the way to Gigafactory, Nevada, carried by 2 trucks and 3 trailers. This impressive logistical achievement is an unmistakable sign that Tesla is putting a giant Gigapress into service, specifically designed for manufacturing the Semi. The arrival of this machine signals a revolutionary step forward, making Elon Musk's ambitious goal of producing a semi-truck every 10 minutes, which translates to 50,000 trucks annually, far more achievable. So what does all this mean? How exactly will Tesla build the Semi going forward? Could this new manufacturing approach finally enable Tesla to dominate the global trucking industry? The answers lay in Tesla's innovative use of gigantic die casting technology combined with their unique design philosophy. You might be wondering why Tesla hasn't applied its famous Gigapress to the Semi before. Currently, Tesla uses die casting extensively for models like the Model Y, Cybertruck, and Cybercab. The Gigapress enables Tesla to cast a front or rear underbody in a single enormous piece instead of assembling hundreds of smaller parts with welding, bolting, or adhesives, dramatically simplifying and speeding up production while boosting structural integrity. However, the Semi is a beast much larger and heavier than Tesla's other vehicles, demanding a frame that can withstand colossal loads and grueling use cases. The existing Gigapress machines with clamping forces between 6,200 and 9,100 tons simply are not large or optimized enough for the Semi size and complexity. Producing a bigger Gigapress also required a larger factory footprint, which Tesla hadn't tackled until now. Recent reports from industry insiders, like Sawyer Merritt VE, confirmed the arrival of an enormous stamping press at Tesla's new Semi production facility in Nevada. Moving such a machine took 2 semi-trucks hauling triple trailers, underlining the scale and engineering brilliance behind Tesla's manufacturing efforts. This huge machine isn't just another tool. It's the engine to build the machine that builds the Semi, marking a major turning point in Tesla's journey to industrialize electric heavy-duty trucking. Tesla's Semi is unlike any truck on the market today. It boasts a 500-mile range, can reach 80% charge in just 30 minutes, accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 20 seconds even with a full load, and hauls a gross weight of 82,000 pounds. Energy consumption is impressively low at 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile, dropping to 1.55 on the latest performance models. These stats make it clear that Tesla didn't simply convert a traditional diesel truck to electric. They completely reimagined the truck from the ground up, drawing inspiration from high-speed bullet trains like Japan's Shinkansen. Tesla's chief designer Franz von Holthausen has shared that the truck was built without the constraints of internal combustion engines. No gearbox, no massive engine block up front, allowing them to rethink both layout and design for efficiency and comfort. The cab itself was designed with truck drivers in mind, since they spend many hours working inside it, essentially turning their workspace into an office on wheels. So Tesla emphasized a spacious, comfortable interior that breaks the mold of conventional truck cabins. aerodynamics also received major focus. The semi-sleek, teardrop-shaped body cuts air resistance in half compared to traditional diesel trucks, which typically have drag coefficients between 0.8 and 0.9. Tesla's design hits about 0.4, allowing the truck to slice effortlessly through the air, resulting in extended range and significant fuel savings, essential in an industry that consumes 12% of U.S. fuel overall. Safety is paramount. Feedback from PepsiCo drivers, one of Tesla's major fleet partners, reveals the Semi is easier to drive than expected. Without a gearbox, operating the truck is as simple as driving an electric car. The central driver seating offers a panoramic view that dramatically reduces blind spots. Inside, the driver controls everything with 2 large screens and a minimalist steering wheel, making every function accessible. The low center of gravity offers less risk of rollover, and features like advanced autopilot, blast-resistant glass, and active controls to prevent jackknifing elevate safety significantly beyond typical trucks. Tesla doesn't just meet truck safety standards, they've applied their own stringent vehicle safety protocols, making the Semi arguably the safest truck on the road today. Powering the truck are 3 independent rear motors, producing around 1,500 horsepower tuned more for durability and efficiency than outright power. Instead of all-wheel drive, the Semi runs tandem drive axles, extending tire life by reducing wear. It also has 2 gear ratios, one built for high-speed cruising, the other for torque to achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5 seconds unloaded, or 20 seconds fully loaded at 80,000 pounds. The system initially drives all wheels for acceleration, then switches to an energy-saving stable mode. Many components come from proven Tesla platforms, like carbon-wrapped rotors from the Model South Plaid and drive inverters from the Cybertruck, leveraging Tesla's established reliability. For fleet owners, the choice to switch to Tesla Semis is becoming irresistible. Can Tesla hit that bold 50,000 unit production target in 2026? The next few years will tell. But Tesla's ambition and innovation have already pushed it beyond a car maker into revolutionizing global transportation and industrial manufacturing. Thanks for tuning in to today's in-depth Tesla Semi update. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more Tesla and electric vehicle content. Drop a comment to share your thoughts or suggest future topics. Don't forget to share this video with anyone interested in the future of trucking and green tech. Stay charged and see you in the next video.